Hello friends, today we will discuss about cyclic acid pathway is most important pathway for the primary metabolic pathway to form secondary metabolites with use of primary metabolites. Cyclic acid is a metabolic pathway for the biosynthesis of phenylpropane units. It converts simple carbohydrate precursor derivative from glycolysis and the pentose phosphate pathway to the aromatic amino acid like L-phenylalanine, L-tyrosine and L-tryptophan. Cyclic acid is the intermediate product in the pathway and present in plants, fungi, bacteria but not in animals. Cyclic acid is not original pathway in plant bacteria, fungus. Primary pathway is the pentose phosphate pathway or glycolysis to use form intermediate pathway cyclic acid pathway and produce various very important secondary metabolites have pharmacological effect so in animal or human beings. For example, pentose phosphate pathway, erythroid 4-phosphate and glycolysis phosphoenol pyruvate both are converted in the presence of enzyme or proteins in 3-dehydroquinic acids. After that, it's convert 3-dehydrocyclic acid, that is intermediate in between pentose phosphate pathway and glycolysis, further converted into cyclic acid. That cyclic acid convert into corysmic acid. Corysmic acid, after that enzymatic action prepare prephenic acid. That prephenic acid also convert into para-hydroxyphenyl pyruvic acid and corysmic acid convert anthranilic acid and derived very important amino acid tryptophan amino acid synthesis and phenyl pyruvic acid to convert phenylalanine, very important amino acid that convert ephedrine for essential work in the body, and tropic acid also has amine and scopolamine, and also phenylalanine, cocaine, cinnamic acid, flavonoid and flavonol condense to produce tannins. Tyrosine also convert into tyramine, then dopamine, very important neurotransmitter, and tyrosine also converted into norlandosolene and reticulin, theanine, codeine, then morphine. Morphine also important component, analgesic, antipyretic, and tryptophan, tryptamine and streptozidine, secologanine, azamelacine and serpentine, most important secondary metabolites. So cyclic acid pathway is responsible for production of vitamins, aromatic amino acid such as phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan. It also source of precursor of lot of beneficial natural product which use in animal various diseases or normal function like neurotransmission, neuroconduction, dopamine and some other beneficial important components.